When we bought the house, Andersens were installed, but they weren't installed properly by the builder. I had C&L come out and try to fix them, and they did the best they could, and they did make improvements, but we felt that replacing them was the only option. We had investigated, looked up different window companies and all of that, but they kept coming back to C&L. The installation was great. They came in, they tarped everywhere, they put things on the floor, because I have wood floors, they covered all those. I have a special trim around my windows, and they found that trim, which was great because we didn't have to change trim. They were neat, they were quiet, they came in. Once they left, you didn't even know they were here. I didn't have to do any touch-up around my windows because of the way they were so careful about taking off the old trim and putting on the new. From the salesman to the guy that came and measured to the guys who installed, everybody was great. Everybody, they were all professionals, they all knew what they were doing, and I couldn't ask for a better experience as far as replacing my windows. If somebody says they need to replace their windows, I always tell them to get C&L. I think it's the best way to go. I mean, why mess around with other window companies when you got C&L to come in and put Andersens in? I don't see any reason to go anywhere else.